repeat it again. Bulb on. Okay, bulb has been turned on. Now we will turn off the fan. Fan off. The fan has been turned off. Now we will turn on the AC. AC on. Yeah, AC has been turned on. Now we will again turn on the fan. Fan on. Yeah, now we'll turn off the bulb. Bulb off. Hi, welcome to online tutorial videos from JCB Labs. This is a project video, and in this project video we will be demonstrating a project like a speech operated home automation. We also provide online training, help in technical assignments. We also do freelance projects based on embedded system, machine learning, data science, Python, Matlab, etc. So if you have any such requirement, then you can let us know by contacting us through our website, which is www.jcbrolabs.org. Okay, so this is our hardware setup. So we have not connected bulbs and fans, etc. So right now we have this relay board, and it is connected to the Arduino. So this particular relay is representing our fan, and this one is for bulb, and this one is for AC. So we are trying to turn on or off this relay using voice command, which will be then go to into the Matlab. Okay, so we have created a Matlab program for the same. So first of all, there is a file which is created. File you just have to run this file, and through this file we can record the data set or the speech sample. So there are total 5 words right now which we are using, and then for single word we are taking a 5 sample. So in overall there will be total 25 sound files will be recorded through it. So we just have to run this file, and it will start recording. So let's check how it works. So just run it. Fan, 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 bulb, 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 AC, 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 on, 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 off, 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 off. Recording has been done. So it has to be remembered, like during the recording and the stopping of the sound, these words during the recording and testing, the same sound condition should be applied as far as possible for the demonstration purpose. Now this second file is created. It will read all these sound files and will extract the MFCC feature, and then we'll save it. So we just run this file, and everything will be done automatically. It has created the MFCC feature extract. It has extracted the MFCC feature and has saved those features inside Matlab workspace. Okay, now we will create a neural network. Okay, so it will be trained. You just have to run this file. It will read all those features we just saved, and then we'll train a network accordingly. Okay, so right now it is training. So we have created this network with 18 hidden layers and 18 neurons in hidden layer and 5 neurons at the output layer corresponding to each word: fan, bulb, AC, on and off. Okay, so network has been trained. Now we can check the accuracy of the network, mean absolute error. So it is very good, right? And we can also check the accuracy of the network uh, by running these two commands. We can plot the confusion matrix of the trained network. Okay, so it is giving 100% accuracy. Yeah, 100% in absolute terms. I am also surprised this time it is giving 100% because last time it was giving 98 or 99% accuracy. Okay, so now we'll test our data. Okay, saved it. Now this is a file which we created. It will record a file in real time and then will detect whether which command has been given to which appliance, and then it will send that particular command to the Arduino, and there is a code written in the Arduino which will be accepting those commands and will correspondingly take action. So it is this real-time testing doing in two phases. First, we are identifying which appliances, and then we are turning it on or off. So let's see, finger crossed, because each time when we try to test in real time, so real-time testing is always tough, and it varies or it depends on several factors. Okay, it also determines how much accurate our program is. So let's run it. First of all, we'll turn on the fan. Fan on. Okay, so fan has been turned on. As we mentioned, this represents fan, bulb, and AC. So this LED indicating the fan has turned on. So now we'll repeat it again. Bulb on. Okay, bulb has been turned on. Now we will turn off the fan. Fan off. The fan has been turned off. Now we will turn on the AC. AC on. Yeah, AC has been turned on. Now we will again turn on the fan. Fan on. Yeah, now we'll turn off the bulb. Bulb off. Now we'll turn off the AC. AC off. Yeah, now we'll turn off the fan. Fan off. Yeah, it has we have demonstrated it in real time and it is working very perfectly. Okay, so this was a project video. So in project video we generally don't show the codes, we just demonstrate. Okay, so this was a project video. In project video we generally don't show the entire working the project, we just demonstrate the working of the project video, working of the project. So this was the voice operated home automation project, or we can say a small demonstration of it. So if you want these project files, you can let us know by mailing us at jcbrolabs@gmail.com. Okay, so further we also provide online training, help in technical assignments. We also do freelance project based on data science, Python, machine learning, etc. So if you have any such requirement, then you can let us know by contacting us through our website, which is www.jcbrlabs.org. So that's it for this video. Thank you.